I engaged Proclaims because I've had a few patients who used Proclaims and had good results with Proclaims, and I thought, well, I had a few other people look at our properties, and I had some, as you said, some advocates as well as lawyers, and they weren't getting very far despite, sort of having reports done by them and spending money. So we thought, well, we've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, and we had Chris came up to have a look at our properties for us, and they said, well, they can help us. So we thought, well, we'll give them a go and see what happened, and yeah, we're very pleased with the results thus far. Yeah. I think when we engaged Proclaims, we were basically almost at the end of our tether, because the claims are just carrying on and carrying on. It's been 3 years, at that time it was about 3 years since the earthquake happened, and we weren't getting any further, and so since we engaged Proclaims, it's like weight come off our shoulders. But basically, we've given them total responsibility for the claims, and we don't have to worry about it anymore because we know somebody's working on it on our behalf. And
you get well up to date with what's happening.
Yeah.
You get copied in on the email, so we know exactly where it's at.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very happy with the progress that's being made.
Yeah, and the other thing too is we're not dealing with the insurance companies or whoever else, and that's sort of one less stress, because you're not always thinking about it. Somebody else is doing the thinking and all that sort of stuff.
So somebody who knows what they're doing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
The process.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I personally, I think that if they're progressing okay with the insurance company and they're happy with how it's progressing, I'd say, well, good luck to you. But if I think that you have, sort of questions, and you think that you're not getting your full claim entitlement, then I think that it'd be worth your while sort of getting professional input. In our case, Proclaims, because I think they take the worry out of the whole situation. They are professional, as in they know the right answers and the right questions to ask the insurance companies, and they know the processes. And we as people, we don't know the processes, and we don't know our full entitlement. That's the other thing too. We don't really know our full entitlement on the policies, and we depend on them to interpret it for us, the insurance companies, and they interpret for their own, for their own gains, rather than our gains. At the end of the day, Proclaims, go through the whole policy, and they know what we're entitled to, and they will fight for our full entitlement. And I think that's, for us, it's a win-win for us.